to Dignity Health California Hospital Medical Center. We are here at the wonderful Nursing Museum. I'm so excited to show you some artifacts that were used by nurses back in the day, as well as some of their attire. Come on in, I'll show you. First of all, I wanted to start with the founder of California Hospital. We're looking over here at Dr. Walter Lindley. He was the founder of California Hospital, and right next to it, we have a view of 15th Street in downtown in 1898, and boy, has it changed. We'll move on along here, and one of my favorite shots is a photo dating back to the 1920s. We are looking at a few nurses. We can tell the attire has changed quite a bit. This photo dates back to the 1930s, and right next to it, the beautiful nurses that are just exiting the School of Nursing in 1976. Boy, do they look like they're having a good time. And where are we standing right now? Well, we are standing in the Levy Hall building, and I have a picture here from 1981. As we can see, there are some nurses just sitting outside, probably enjoying a snack before heading back to nursing school. What I would like to show you next, we have some glass needles. These needles were used back in 1920. The nurses would autoclave and sterilize each unit at the nurses' station. Very different from what we do now. Now we're using disposable syringes, and boy, I think those nurses are happy to have those. Next, I wanted to show you, here is a photo. Right up here, you'll see the nurses getting ready for surgery. What a cool picture, and this picture dates back to 1965. Also wanted to show you some of the nurses in the labor and delivery. We could see some babies being born right here in California Hospital, and to this day, we're still delivering on average anywhere from 400 to 450 babies a month. So right now we're looking at a photo dating back to 1930s. These are nurses wearing wool coats. Beautiful wool coats, navy and gold in the inside. You'll see the initials at the very top with California Hospital. And you'll even see some nurses right outside our building walking the streets of downtown LA with their wool capes. Very traditional. As you can see, we're looking at what a nurse wore back in 1910. She is covered from head to toe with very modest necklines, and you'll see even some nice shoes. Very traditional also to nursing are the caps that they're wearing, the white caps where their hair had to be pinned back pretty tight. Not much has changed until we hit 1930s or so, and you'll see that the hemline has gone up quite a bit, still under the knee though. We'll also see the evolution of the nursing attire, specifically in the 1960s. These are beautiful photos of nurses wearing pinstriped outfits. And here they are right outside California Hospital for a photo. And a dress from the 1930s and a dress from the 1970s. They were told they had to keep their uniforms very white, so a lot of bleach went into this. All right, so next I wanted to show you the famous caps. I'm sure you've all seen these. These caps were actually originally used in order to contain the hair of the nurses. Very beautiful. They were not squeaky clean, but they sure tried to. They were washed, starched, and repolled several times a year. All right, let's go back to the 1930s. So we have a OBGYN chair right here, dating back, like I said, to the 30s. They were made out of wood and leather, and as you can see, they don't look as comfortable as they do now, do they? So next we're going to look at some pins. So these are very traditional in the ceremony upon their graduation. We'll see some pins dating back from 1915 to 1950, 1945, and they are absolutely beautiful and very detailed. Alrighty, so I wanted to show you something else over here. I have a nursing uniform, a replica of what something like Florence Nightingale would have worn back in the 1890s. Probably not the most comfortable nursing uniform, especially with the scrubs that we have nowadays. And here we have a wheelchair dating back to the 1940s. This is actually exactly what a wheelchair would look like, where patients would use these and sit outside a California hospital and enjoying some sunshine in California. As you can see, they are made out of wood and not as durable as those wheelchairs we have now. Next, I wanted to show you the last dress here at the museum. This is a replica nursing uniform dating back to the 1890s. As you can see, white with some checkered sleeves, full sleeves actually. A very modest neckline. And there you go. I hope you enjoyed your time with us. These are all beautiful pieces, artifacts dating back to 1898 with photos from yearbooks from all these beautiful nursing students. I hope you enjoyed all the photos and actual artifacts as well as the evolution of the attire dating back to 1898 when the nursing school originally opened.